So what's the deal with the travel insurance? What does it cover?
Think about a trip of a lifetime. Think about an expensive vacation many people have been saving for a long time. They're taking their family members, maybe an exotic vacation in a foreign country. Think about a kind of trip where you won't be able to get back a lot of your money if something goes wrong. That's when you want to buy trip cancellation coverage. So it's very important in these circumstances.
But what type of something? Because I feel like unless you're sick or there's a death in the family, then you can't get your money back.
That's exactly it. What if you become sick? What if there's a death in the immediate family? You're not able to make the trip. This way you can get your money back. What if you become sick while you're on the trip? That way you can get a refund for the part of the trip that you haven't used at this point.
But how sick do you have to be?
Well, you're going to have to be sick enough. It's not like you don't feel well that morning, but sick enough so you can't travel. A doctor says that you can't travel.
So what do you should expect to pay for this kind of insurance?
You're only going to have to pay about 5 to 7% of the cost of the trip. So if it's a $5,000 trip, that'd be, say, $250 to $350 to cover the cost of that trip.
And then where do you buy it? Because I know when you're doing, a flight, you can get that insurance there.
Right.
Where do you buy it from?
You can check it right there. If you're going to buy the flight, you can buy it from a cruise operator. You can buy it from a travel agent, for instance. So there are many places you can buy it.
Now, do you need to get extra coverage, say, for like lost luggage, or is there other places you can get it, like your credit card company sometimes?
Very often you're going to be covered for at least some of the cost of the lost luggage from the airline, your credit card company, even your homeowner's insurance policy. But if you're carrying a lot of equipment or other sorts of things, you might be able to buy supplemental coverage this way.
Okay, so how about the weather? What type of insurance does it cover?
A good, your ordinary weather delays, it's not something that's going to cover you in that particular context. But for example, if you're going to meet your cruise ship down in Miami and a hurricane is bearing down and the cruise ship can't make it and you need to catch that ship at the next port of call, that's the sort of thing the travel insurance will cover you for.